Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So it seems like we're getting some clarity here. Bitcoin has recovered into the yellow box again, but as we had quite a strong drop out of the support box here, which ended at 16,070 US dollars, I think the possible bullish count is now getting very, very unlikely. It's still not impossible. Therefore, I'm leaving it on the chart as a possibility because we need to be aware that this is still possible. This can still come out bullish. Bitcoin, it wouldn't be the first time Bitcoin does this, but I have to clearly lean to the downside, okay? Just because we had this sustained drop. Well, not sustained drop, but we had quite a strong drop. Also, Ethereum is staying below the 1130 level at the moment, and until I see a clear reversal signal now for Bitcoin, I'm leaning more towards the downside, which means we have that triangle pattern that we discussed several times here on the chart, which means probably here A wave, B, C, D, and E, which then came down. Again, I mentioned that in the Ethereum video as well. What you typically get when a triangle breaks, it is quite a strong move down. We haven't broken the B wave yet of the triangle. That would be the final confirmation we need. That is at 15,780. A drop below that level would make it very unlikely that we are indeed heading for lower. And indeed, it is very close to the low from the 9th of November anyway. How would I put the subwaves together now? Well, so let's leave that to the side here. This is the bullish count still. I'll leave it on the chart until it's completely invalidated, because it's still possible. But I'm now, as I said, clearly leaning to the downside, and until I see different signals. But I would say we had here a 1, 2, this here a 3, 4, and now come down in 5. That's how I would see this, and this fifth wave should break the previous low. And however, this move down generally could just be those 5 waves could be part of a larger 5-wave structure to the downside in this fifth wave. And this would be the fifth wave that should end the bear market. So as you remember, here, coming down on the 9th of November, Bitcoin fulfilled our primary expectations of a new low. Here, Bitcoin basically just moved sideways. Possible scenario, still bullish possible. Getting unlikely now as we dropped below the key support area, which is trying to do it again. And if we now head down lower, I want to take you through the key support levels. So we've got 14,500. That will be key support. If we drop below that level, we're looking at 10,500. That is the 88.7% FIB level for Bitcoin. If we drop below that level, then we're talking about 6 to 8K. And next we talk about 3K. These are the key levels. Not telling we get there. They're not necessarily targets, but they are possible targets only if Bitcoin drops below 14.5K. So the region between 14 to 15K is the next target for Bitcoin. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.